everyone, hello my friends. So here I am in my small office. I will try to do all this live stream way more often for you, but all I'm asking from you is your support, your likes, your comments, your subscription. We are right now there is more than 3,000 followers here, and I'm really appreciate that. I really appreciate your help, your support, but I want more. And also please subscribe on all our channels, links in bio. You will find the Telegram channel, you will find the WhatsApp group. I will ask you to press plus or whatever comment you will leave. So I will see that you can hear me, you can see me, and everything is good. So please let me know. I want to see your comments. Please, I need your pluses. Please do this right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you for everyone. I'm waiting. Yeah, I see that you see and heard me. That's good. I want to try to find my layout first of all, because I accidentally closed this today. So I'm gonna try to find that right now with all my, first of all, let me do this. Let's go through. I open all layouts and I will try to find. So all these layouts was like made days ago, made maybe weeks ago, like whatever. Like you can go and watch all our previous videos, especially on the TikTok, and you will find a lot of interesting info. So I need to move myself somewhere here. Okay, I see that. I'm alone here. It's not easy to do everything like that. But this is not what I'm looking. Yeah, this is not the layout that I'm looking for. So we will close it. Close without saving. So this is, let's go here. Give me a second, please. Right now you can like give me some kind of supporting and pressing like, subscribe buttons, because I need to find the layout where was all our previous drawings. So this is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. Maybe this one. Let me see. No, I have that one. Give me a second, one more time. Not this one, not that. I cannot find the layout with all drawings, with all pictures. And I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is, here it is. So let's talk about our previous chart, our previous small dick energy drawing. So if you're gonna go on this YouTube channel, if you see me for the first time, just watch the previous video. Then you can watch all the previous live streams and just connect the dots. That's it. That's all I'm telling you. Just connect the dots. Take a look at the date of the live stream, then take a look at the chart which I'm showing to you, and then you will find what happened with that chart. So I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna close that one, and I'm gonna leave only few of these charts. So let's start to talk about what's gonna happen. So first of all, I was waiting for the price of Bitcoin here, but all I'm trying to do is not showing you where the price will be. I'm trying to show you when the price will turn around. So as far as we said to you that the price will do something like that on the dates, I was waiting the price somewhere here, and as I said to you, BTC will be here. And if you're gonna watch like 2 weeks ago or maybe 3 weeks ago, where we're gonna find the live streams on our Telegram channel, because for the last months when our apartment was water flooded and everything was damaged by the water, I cannot do that kind of live streams here with the cameras, with the sound. So I was doing live streams on the Telegram. So you will find that mark, and that mark, like that zone, the white and the red zone, was put it here weeks and months before it happened. So I was thinking that we will bounce back here, but we will been telling you since December and January that the February will be the crash. And you saw, like Just go to the TikTok 83 and you will find the pinned message like 17th of January. I've been telling people, please, 2nd of February. Then I was waiting that we will have the pump. We have that movement here. Take a look at this. This is the 2nd. We go up. Then I was telling people like from 14 till 24th, we will go up. And after that, we will drop. I cannot tell you like where exactly we're going to be the price. I just can try to figure out, try to guess where should I open my long position or short position. But the easiest way for the people who don't understand nothing is just know when. Not on what price open your position, just when. This is way more easier when you go into the doctor and he said like, please drink this water or take these pills twice a day, morning and evening before you go into sleep, after like your breakfast and dinner. The same, what I'm doing, I'm telling people the date when it's gonna be the impulse, the huge correction or the huge pump. And all I'm asking from you, like you don't have that kind of where it is. You don't have this system, you don't have that system, you don't have algorithm. But if you wanna, you just need to wait until the big red or green candle appear on the 4-hour time frame. This is the easiest strategy in the world, the easiest. But please remember, you need to figure out the risk management. So that's why I've been telling people about that the price will probably, I was thinking that till the 24th we will go higher. Nah, but it doesn't mean that I and my team, we wasn't right about the 2nd, then about 14, where it is, 14 somewhere here, yeah, like somewhere here, but this is not the best price. But for those of you who is familiar with our system, you all knew that not only the forecast, what's going to happen in the future, are making the huge role and like taking the part in this, especially our trading filter. So we call that the yellow helper. It shows us when it's the best time to buy. When the yellow filter in the bottom, when it's the best time to sell, take a look at this right now. But it doesn't mean that you should sell something. All I'm trying to do is to put people in the cryptocurrency market, to like show them that you can invest and you will always be profitable if you're trying to understand how the price moves, if you understand how you can open your position, how you can trade, how you can do like whatever you want to do. If you understand all these things, then you can probably open the margin position, using the leverage and doing like shorts, longs, put, calls, or whatever you are doing. Let's take a look at the daily time frame and move this a little bit here on the 9 or 10s. You see the bottom. The bottom is here, and it shows us like where should I put it? Please tell me. Like everything is the bottom. That's why I've been giving people like the fork from 9 till 11. 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11. Why I'm always telling, every month I'm telling the dates when I'm gonna go all in. Because I'm going all in and then I'm selling, then I'm buying back. I'm trading every day, I'm doing daily tradings, I'm doing like swing trades. I'm always trying to catch the movements, and as far as I'm showing you in the Telegram, on the TikTok or whatever. Oh, I forgot to post the video in the TikTok. That right now it's going to be the live stream. So let's talk about our small, not here, our small dig pattern, which was made on the previous live stream like 6 days ago. Let's go 6 days ago. Today is the 1st March, so with the first day of the spring, everyone, and we need to go to the 23rd of February. So that mark wasn't there, that lines and that arrows wasn't there. So I drew that small dick pattern and I put all these things here, I pretty sure that from the 1st of March till 6th of March, the price will bounce back. And we see that the price are bouncing back, because I was telling people 28th of February, 28th of February, 28th of February. Then I go to the Rodeo Drive, 23rd of February, and I was telling people 1st of March plus minus 1 day, because like it's way more easier for me, the not native American, to tell people 1st and 9th of March plus minus 1 day. Because if I'm gonna tell people 28th of March, 28th of February, 1st of March, 9 or 10 of March, they will be like, what's happening with my, what happening? What should I do? Because no offense, but not everyone is smart. Okay, and when not smart person meeting not clever person as I, like the guy who doesn't understand English, present simple, perfect continuous, like yesterday the guy sent me, hey, there is like literally the language barrier between us, so I don't understand what you're saying. Тогда я могу говорити на русском, тоді я можу спілкуватися українською. So then I can speak Russian or Ukrainian. And you will learn this language. You will ask AI, YouTube, hey, how can you translate this for me? That's not my problem. I'm trying to find the easiest thing, and everything that I'm asking from you is just support. So we've been telling people, I was doing the live stream on the Telegram. I've been telling people, I've been like crying, please be prepared from 24th till 1st. So this dick pattern shows us that something gonna happen with the price, yeah? What was in the previous live stream? I was telling that we will drop here, then we will bounce somewhere here. Right now, few days ago, I put that mark because I'm thinking that this gap, or even not the gap, the price we did a huge, the perfect correction for that movement. So as far as you can see from our prediction model, the price from right now, from today, will go up till 23rd of March. But we have one more correction, 6th of March, and one more buying point, 11, 12, 10s, 9s. It's like in 2 weeks after that live stream. So we will try to catch this moment on the lower time frame. For example, let's come back here. Let's come back somewhere here. On the 1 hour time frame, by the way, this position was given to you on the live stream of the Telegram channel. So I probably can even delete this position, but let it be here. I was telling you, like, basically at that time, 11-12 a.m., I was near the laptop, I was doing the live stream for you, and I was telling you, hey, I'm buying spot, I'm buying future position, I'm buying, because we have a huge dip. Everyone was waiting the price lower than 77, maybe $75,000. So it means that we need to buy. But let's talk about when you need or when you want to buy some other assets. So either it's gonna be, I will put the new marks here, 4th, 5th, 8th, and we will have one more. You see, like one more when we have more information somewhere here. So we need to find on the 4 hour time frame where exactly our trading model will be in the lower position, like here, like here, like here. Same things. Every time when the price turns around, you can close your long position if we turn it around from the high to the low. And when we turn it around in the lower part of this filter, you can open your long position. That's it. This is some kind of like axioma. You know the difference between theorema and axioma in the math? Like, you should prove the theorema, but axioma is already proved. Like, this is like the constant. Where is my coffee? I'm giving you the opportunity to press like under this video because you know how I'm offensive about when people not pressing likes. And by the way, as I said to you, remember, one small like could save the life of your parents. Those of you who's been watching my previous live stream, you understand about what I'm talking about. So I bought here, I bought 2nd of February, and I'm still holding some USDT. And probably my last buying point will be 9, 10, 11 of March. I will wait for the huge red candles, for the huge movement. And no matter what's going to be the price, because I will try to explain you that on the clear chart. So if we're going to go back to $90,000, then we will go to correction probably to $84,000, $86,000. After that, we will go to the all-time high. That's it. If the price for the next couple of hours or maybe days, today or tomorrow, because when they love to manipulate the price, of course, when nobody give a fuck about the chart, about market, about the Bitcoin, when nobody can like open trades, close trades, especially you American people. So they love to manipulate the price on the weekends. That's why if for the next couple of hours, like our yellow model will go lower and we will go lower than $78,000, 77, 78, like somewhere here. It means that the price will bounce back somewhere to 81, 82,000, and after that we will go lower probably to 65 or even lower. So there is two scenario right now. And everything that I can tell to you that our forecast model shows us that the price will go up till the middle or till the end of March. Yeah, like where is our, so take a look at this. We will find few more entry points here, and then the price will move till the, for example, 20 of March, but on the daily time frame, on the higher time frame. Take a look at this. Let's turn everything off. Take a look at this. We are still not in the bottom here, but we are in the bottom here. You remember I said to you like the helper. So what does it mean? I will try to explain you, because like a lot of people thinking that, okay, these guys know exactly everything. No, we are the same traders as you are. We're flipping the coin, we're pressing the one button, buy or sell, and we're trying to be profitable. We're trying to understand how the price moves. And I'm not afraid to tell people about that. Like, this is my opinion. This is not financial advices. I'm not giving any kind of advices. I'm just telling what I'm doing. If I'm in losses, it means that I'm not fixing the losses. If I'm in profit, it means that I'm telling you, okay, guys, I'm fixing my profit. So it means that we're going to turn it off, that the 10 or 11 of March could be not so low as this price. Because every time I'm telling you, when we reach the trending line, you can open like all the time, you can open your trades. Go probably 2 or 3 videos back on the YouTube and you will find when I'm putting all the marks on all time frames. And I've been telling people like we will hit all the marks. We will go lower. Just because like the market is super hot right now and people should be way more calmer. You need to be freezing, like you need to be crazy, you need to fear, you need to, oh my God, should I buy? Should I buy? Yes. Today, tomorrow, the next 10 days, split your budget, buy every day for 1%. Just buy more. If you don't understand what you're doing, if you don't understand when the price could be or where it could drop or where it could go up, just buy. That's it. Just scale your position. If you bought something here, like for example, when the price was higher than $105,000, if you bought Solana for $280 and you do not buying it for $130, what's wrong with you? But like, what's with your mental health? Just explain me, if you those guys who was buying Dogecoin for 70 cents in 2021, why the hell you didn't buy it when it was 5 cents? when it was 10 cents, when it's 20 cents right now, even lower, I think. What's wrong with you? Just scale your position and receive the average price of your investment. So you believe that years or months ago, in March, in November, in December, when all media was talking about the crypto, you believe that the price will go to the moon. And right now, when it's night, when it's day in your city, you understand about what I'm talking about. Like when the day you see the sun, so the moon is on the opposite side of the earth. So when it's day, you know, oh no, I wouldn't buy. So the moon will turn around and you all again will go to the moon. That's it. I hope you understand my metaphor. So let's go further. The daily time frame showing us that we are turning around. I will even show you that here. The same chart that I have behind my back. So first thing first, you see that green triangle, it's appear here. Yeah, the price will bounce back right now. It will go up, like it could be the fast movement. The same with the 1 hour time frame. Here is the 4 hour time frame. Yes, we could bounce back. That's why you should use the risk management. But 6 hour, 4 hour, they will turn around. They will turn around and we will go lower. But all we need to wait, the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. When we turn around, we will go to all-time high. That's it. Like we are turning around on the daily time frame, and this is the good bullish sign. But we still need to be lower on the 4 hour time frame, and that's gonna be the next point when I'm gonna buy more. That's it. If we're talking about when to buy, just wait until the price drop to the green line. The same is here. Like I'm telling you, the price will be on the $50,000. It's the matter of time. Let me turn it on. So all these red and yellow marks, all these numbers, the price will be there. Even that's enough. I think that this is way than enough, about 34,000, 47,000, etc. Like the price will be there. So right now I'm on the 60% of my USDT in the market, and I will buy more, and I wouldn't care about what the price will be 9 or 10 of March. And for those of you who's been waiting for the miracle, like, and you thinking about, okay, I will wait, the price will go lower on the 10% and I will save my money, I will buy more. Buy right now, small amount, because if the price will drop on the 8%, your orders wouldn't be triggered and you wouldn't buy anything. Just buy partly, just put your limit orders like the stairs, you know, like put few stairs on the market. Oh my God, give me a second. Oh my God. I'm sorry, give me a second, please. So let's talk about other assets. Let's talk about the Binance Bitcoin dominance. So as I said to you on the previous live stream, it was somewhere here. We will go up. You see that the price from the previous live stream go up. So that one was drawn here, maybe on the live stream on the Telegram. So the Bitcoin dominance will go higher till the 3rd or maybe even 5th of March. Then we will have the drop. Drop will be till the middle of March, but you should think about it the higher time frame. The higher time frame, the daily time frame, shows us that till the middle of March, the Bitcoin dominance will be lower, and then we will go up again. So that's this, like, a lot of people asking when it's going to be the alt season. So I cannot tell you when it's going to be. I just can like try to guess. So that's why I'm guessing that on the daily time frame, either it's going to be here in June. You see the bottom of the daily time frame, or take a look at this, my friends. Just be prepared. November, October. I think that Bitcoin dominance could be here before summer, but if we're gonna drop here till 40% of the Bitcoin dominance, it means that probably all our altcoins will perform X10, X20. This is the easiest thing to understand. When the Bitcoin dominance going down and Bitcoin are in the flat, or it's pumping, the altcoins performing like hell, like crazy. They are going to the moon or even further on the Mars, like Elon Musk says. So let's take a look on the few charts that was made on the 4-hour time frame on the previous live stream. So the previous live stream was 23rd, somewhere here. We were going down, then we're going up. So for the Tesla, because a lot of people asking about the stock market, so we're going to talk about the stock market. So from 26, you see the 26, this is the bottom. We are turning around and we're going up till the end of April. That's it. I will put this mark here. I'm not gonna go on the lower or on other time frames. We will stay on the 4-hour time frame. This is waiting enough to receive like free information. S&P 500, the same. The mark was put it here like sell. The buying point, probably 10th, 11th of March. But take a look at this. The trading filter showing us that you should buy here. That's why people using our algorithm. That's why. Like, the forecast shows that the price will go from here till here lower. The trading filter shows that the price will go lower from here till here. And it doesn't mean that the price couldn't do something like that. So we have this impulse and we can do something like that, even from the Monday. But still, this is the buying points on the S&P 500. Nasdaq, the same. Take a look at this. All these yellow lines was put it here on the previous live stream, and you can go and watch the previous video here on the YouTube, and you will figure out how it works. So the buying point was the beginning of March, but we totally understand that the 1st and the 2nd of March, this is the weekday, and you cannot buy Nasdaq, you cannot trade Nasdaq. So that's why our trading filter is showing like 27, 28. You see that? That's it. This is how it works. You're just waiting for here. But previous live stream, it was like that. So I said the price will go up, then it will go down. That's it. Easy. Really easy. But if we're talking about when the price will stop this movement, probably the end of March, 20th of March. Nvidia, the same. I was thinking that we will do something like that, yeah? But the yellow lines and the green lines, the yellow lines means that I'm thinking that the price will do something like that. But the green and the red lights showing you what our forecast model, our algorithms see when it will turn around. So if I was thinking that this mark was put it, just go and take a look at the previous video. You will see that I'm putting this mark like, okay, just wait until the beginning of March. But the trading filter, like when you have that model like in front of you on your iPhone, laptop, iPad, or your Tesla screen, like whatever, you can see the live stream of how it moves. Like for example, here we have all these time frames here. You can use it with any time frame, with any assets, and you will be way more profitable because you are waiting until the yellow filter turning around. So, but still, till the end of March, till the middle of March, the price will go up. And then you see that. That's why like people sometimes, I saw your video 2 weeks ago and then I just don't give a fuck about what you're telling to people, what you're trying to update the information. So the last week bottom was here, and I will show you. Take a look at this. Let's go back to 23rd of, like our live stream was here. You see that bottom here? You see that bottom here? And right now it looks like that. The algorithm recalculate the price. So from the end of March, Nvidia will go to bottom, will go to like, I don't know where. Like, I wouldn't try to analyze the chart right now. All I'm looking is the forecast model. So from the end of March till the beginning of May, the Nvidia will drop. Next one, Netflix. The same from here, like 23rd, we're going up, then we're going down. We go up, then we're going down. So as far as you understand, I'm still waiting for the drop till the 20th of March. But also, please, you should understand, when you're trying to trade something, when you're trying to like put your money on the table, when you try, or either you're trying to gamble, you need to go in the higher time frame. And you see why this mark are here. You see that? So all we need to wait while that price will be higher, and then we will go down. So on the daily time frame, it will be something like that, and I will do this, like the daily sell, the daily buy. So okay, and let's come back on the 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame shows us like probably we will turn around really soon. So that's why you should like spend more time analyzing the indicators or whatever you're using with your strategy, only just because there is no golden goose in this world. There is no 100% right person, especially on the market, because right now I opened 2 positions like probably hour ago, and I'm holding them, and they are performing not so good. Like I have one position minus 100% and one position minus 50%, but I don't give a fuck about that because I'm using the risk management. And when the price will go against me to the point where it could turn around, I will scale my position and I will fix way more profit. That's why I'm like not stressing about some positions. But sometimes I'm stressing about other positions. I'm stressing when I'm in profit, I'm stressing when I'm in losses, but I'm not fixing losses. I'm just waiting. As far as like a lot of people from you been following me from English social media. I'm not talking about my Ukrainian audience. I'm talking about like the people who saw me on the TikTok or whatever social media you find me. And so you knew that I was telling people 4th of November, the huge buying signal, and I was doing like small mistakes. And they put me in the position when I was like, what the fuck, what shall I do? Because I was telling the right things, but I was doing the wrong things. And all humans doing this, like I'm only human. I woke up in the different mood. I don't know, I have a headache, I have a ball ache, I have a stomach ache, I don't know, like what kind of ache. Right now my hand is hurting, like hurting so much. So everything is affecting my decisions, my thoughts. And you should understand that this is about the psychological effect, not about, okay, your win rate is perfect, 80%, 90%, you're doing profit. You should understand when you are putting yourself in some kind of like small position. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Like when you feeling weak, when you feel yourself like you are the stupidest person in the room or even in the world, when you do not believe in yourself, when you fear, when you like just please stop doing this. You're telling to yourself in the mirror. So the crypto, the stock market, it's not so easy as you think. People going through too many things when they're trying to make money. So that's why there is like different time frames. Microsoft, the same. From 23rd, I showed that we are going down, then we're going up, down, up, down. And that yellow line, it was made like something like that. So I think that the price will do something like that. It was like, I think that the price will do something like that. Then just move all this. Give me a second, please. Let me move these marks somewhere here. Yeah, you see how it was? The high was here. And I was showing people like the price will go lower, then will go higher. How it looks right now. The price go lower. Right now, it will go higher because we are in the bottom. It will go higher. But right now, this bottom is still here, but that are here. So if you're willing to buy, you could buy right now, Microsoft, like on the trading filter. I'm not updating any kind of information on the stock market because I'm not trading the stock market. I'm not investing right now in the stock market, maybe in the future. But right now I'm like, I'm good with crypto. Okay, thank you. But just consider to buy in the middle of March. I'm not opening other time frames, please. I wouldn't do this. Don't ask me. The same with Meta. The price will go, take a look at this from here. Up, down, up, down. So I think that the Meta will drop lower. Like we will go down. Why? Because this filter will turn around, will go down, and then will go up. That's it. Amazon. The same, somewhere from here I was telling like we will go down. Okay, we go down, then we go up. So the same, like 20, maybe 18, 19 of March, somewhere here, maybe 17. I wouldn't look at this, and please don't ask me, hey, could you update the information about the stock market? I want to buy Tesla, I want to buy like whatever you want to buy, like Starbucks. No, I can't. Maybe I will do one live stream in a week. I want to feel that you are waiting for this live stream. I want to feel like, let's take a look how many likes you gave me. 109. Thank you. It's like, that's waiting enough, but still there is almost 200 people watching this video, and too many people, like thousands of people will watch this video after I finish this. So all I need from you is like, if I'm gonna see that people are loving this video, I will try to improve them. I will find the guy or the girl who will help me to manipulate all this thing with all these like screens, cameras, microphones. I will try to find the script guy who will put the script for me. Like, okay, today we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin dominance and the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, like whatever. I'm free, I'm not doing anything. I'm just talking and trading. Sometimes eating, fucking, and crying. Sometimes I'm crying. I just closed the door in the bathroom and I was like, oh my God, what should I do? But only sometimes. So the Amazon, the same, down, up, do, dee-dee-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo. Apple. The same, you see, like I was showing you the bottom here, but the real bottom is here, That's it, that's how it works. So a lot of people asking about the private group, we're not giving any kind of recommendation or signals. We have, as far as you ask us, we did the private group for you, and we start posting there way more information about the assets which we analyzing, which we are buying, trading, selling, like whatever. I will show you this group right now. Give me a second, please. Give me a second. So we have the same group for Ukrainian people and for Americans. So this is the group, and we've been posting that kind of things like the Solana, ADA, Gala, Ripple, S&P 500. Like we're posting a lot of things here, and we're doing something like that. We've been telling people weeks and days before it happened, like, take a look at this. Let's go back. Like 15th of February, we post like, sell Ethereum 21st of February, 11 a.m. by New York. You see that? Like we post that. What's happened with the price? Like, okay, Bybit was hacked, yeah? The price from here go down. I will show you the same on the chart. So 15th of February. Where is that? 15th of February, yeah, you see? The price is $2,700. We've been telling people, sell Ethereum somewhere here, 21st. Like here, you see that 21st of February. What's happening with the price next? It's 21st? Yes, it's 21st. We said that, like, even if you sell it here and then you didn't buy it here, you just wait. What's happened with the price next? What we're telling to people, do not buy until probably 9th of March. So let's see what's gonna happen 9th of March. And I'm not trying to update this post, but if you're gonna go lower, let's find the Ethereum. Let's find this post, which says still 9th of March, which says again and again, like the new buying point. Where was that? And where he post that? ENA, DAO, give me a second, please. Ethereum, here it is. So it's like today. Okay, I'm not worrying about this, about today post. So just wait, or either let's turn it off because we all knew what's happened with the price. So on the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that line here. This is just something that I'm trying to understand, because the price movement looks the same as in August. We have one bottom, then we bounce back, and we have one more bottom. Take a look at this. You will see exactly the same thing. And from the last live stream, you will find all these yellow lines here. I was typing that the price will go lower until 10th of March. So the same pattern, we're going down, given the first bottom, the same is here. Like, I will take a look at this. That pattern, I put it here. So going down, bounce back, going down again, bounce back, going down again. So in my opinion, we are somewhere here. We will bounce back, then we go down again. And yes, I'm thinking that the Ethereum could cost lower than $2,000. So that's why you should consider of buying today. Just wait until the March. You see that mark in March, that mark on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So when you're gonna buy today, yesterday, or 9th of March, I can tell you, like, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna open the short position on the Ethereum right now. I'm just gonna do this. Let's do something like, I will open short position on the Ethereum right now. And we will see what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. I really don't know. Just open this position because I'm thinking that it will go over. If not, then that's okay. I will wait few months, few years until the price will drop. I'm doing this all the time. Like, I wouldn't fix the losses. I didn't try to be 100% right, but I'm trying to be 100% profitable. So that's what's in the private group. Like, we're posting assets, we're giving people some kind of marks. And also a lot of people asking about the algorithm. Yeah, we can provide you access to the algorithm, but it's too expensive. Like, that's it, it's too expensive. If you want to if you understand, if you need some kind of like information with that, just text me. You can find all my contact details in the open channel in the Telegram. Let's take a look at the few other assets, because with the Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm still waiting for one more correction, and after that we will go to the moon, probably till the April, or even for some assets with the correction, like till the April we will go to the moon, but with some correction we will see the peak of the cycle, probably summer or October. That's my opinion. And the same with the alt season, August, September, October. But I will definitely gonna sell everything that I have in October, November. So Solana doing the same. I'm still waiting lower. You will find the yellow mark since our previous live stream, since that price. I can even show you the short position of my followers from that price, and I've been telling them that we will go lower than $155. We will go lower to 120, 110. I even have, take a look at this. I know that it sounds ridiculous. I know that it's hard to believe, because we all was thinking that the price of Solana will be somewhere between like $800 and $1,000. Like, sounds good for the stupid people, like for those who's looking the TikTok, swiping between the Kardashians and some guy fart in the face of the girl or whatever, like beer trying to do something with the car. I don't know what kind of content the algorithm shows to you, but then you find some guy who's been telling, so right now we totally knew why the price dropped. No, I'm just trying to tell you, like, the price will drop at that date. I don't give a fuck about what they're gonna say to you in the news. I don't watch the news. I don't care about that. So it sounds ridiculous to you, but it will be. The price of the Solana will be there. Why? Take a look on the daily time frame. So we are almost at the bottom. Then we will bounce back till the May. So yes, of course, you can buy Solana, you can buy Ethereum right now. Like, as I said to you, give me, like, show my face. So as I said to you, for those of you who's been buying assets on the high, like for example, $105,000 for the Bitcoin, 40 cents for Dogecoin, $250 for Solana. For those of you who's been trying to catch the Ethereum higher than $7,500, why you can't find the money and buy right now? Like, you bought one Ethereum for $3,500, you buying one more Ethereum for $2,200. Your average price will be $2,700. That's it. $2,800. The average price for two Ethereum. The same with the Peppercoin. Like, for those of you who's like believe in the bull run, we will go, yay, Trump. What's wrong with these people? So for everyone who's believing in this and about the gold coin, the Peppercoin, and everything else, like, all you need to do is to think about it. Buying more, scaling your positions, just buy more, see the average price, and if you didn't have trust in the crypto market, just sell when the price will come back to the average price. Because if you do not believe in the market and you're thinking to sell something right now, it seems like the price will never come back to your buying point. But I'm telling you, like the Trump coin, the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, every other assets which not delisted from the exchanges will come back to the all-time high. It's the matter of time. Yes, of course, I understand that almost all American people, you are prepared to invest for the 10 years or 20 years. A lot of people thinking about like, okay, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin for $100,000. Like for example, the BlackRock and the MicroStrategy. So they were buying for 102, 105, $109,000, and right now there's like $80,000. No, I will skip that. So this is the risk management, yeah. You've been trying to tell me like the smartest person on the Wall Street in the all market of the world, like they was like buying the high and they selling the dip. Yeah, maybe they selling the dip because they were buying when the price was $100 for the Bitcoin, when the price was 20,000, when the price was 16,000. We still believe that the price going down only just because they said that they found the dinosaur on the North Face. The price going down only just because the Trump says that the Putin didn't invade the Ukraine. The price go down because what was the reason of the price going down for the last couple of days? I don't give a fuck. I don't know. I don't care. The price should be there or here. You need to understand the algorithm. You need to understand how it works. And still, yes, there is limit orders, there is stop orders, there is liquidation price, which helping price to move higher or lower. But it doesn't affect the first movement. The first domino are throwing by the government, by the manipulation, by the like whatever, whoever. Not because Elon Musk tweeted Tesla selling all the Bitcoins. No, not because of that. It given some kind of like the snowball effect. It given some kind of tsunami effect when the waves starting to grow. It given some kind of effect when you beating your wife and she was like angry, and then she put in the knife in your throat because she tired of this. So yeah, there is some kind of like how you call that, when the bottom is like leaking, it's the matter of time when it's gonna break through and all water will go. Do you remember the Breaking Bad series, like when the Walter White says to Jesse Pinkman, hey, you should go to the Home Depot store, get this asset and destroy the body of this guy, and he did that to the bathroom top. So the acid starts to destroying the body, the clothes and the like bones of this guy, and then they come back home and the ceiling fall down. So yeah, there is some kind of effect when everything affecting and pushing the price lower, but the first domino are always from the government. So that's my opinion. With Solana, the price will go up. The price will go up right now. We need to see the one more movement for Solana till the May. For Ethereum, it's going to be the same. I will put you this here. So as far as you see this pattern, yes, of course, the easiest thing, because if I'm going to take a look at the total 1, total 2, total 3, I will say to you that probably the Ethereum will be on the high this summer. So for those of you who hold in Ethereum and you are afraid about $2,000, about what was the lowest point, 2075 here, and the same was in May. Where is the August? I'm sorry, August. So for those of you who's afraid about that, don't be afraid. Just find more money and buy right now. So if you bought for $4,000 somewhere here, and you was thinking, yeah, we're going to the $8,000, then buy more. So I will explain you the easiest thing in the world. So let's come back here. You was thinking, no, we need to go a little bit. Let's do something like that. So here You was thinking, that was your opinion, yeah? When you bought the Ethereum here, because someone says to you that the price will be somewhere not here, not here, because almost everyone talking about $8,000 and $11,000. So you thought that you will catch that moment. Yeah, for example, for the half year or for the 5 years. You're thinking about, I'm buying some asset for $4,000. I will hold it as it was years before. I will hold it, I will sell it, I will buy it, I will hold it, I will sell it, and something like that. So you're thinking about that moment. I don't even know from what point you was putting your Fibonacci level, but for example, you was putting from the March 2020, from the COVID till the peak of 2021. The last thing or the first thing that you were expecting on all this movement, that you will fix that price on the all-time high. Yes, somewhere here. Like, I'm gonna buy for $4,000 something, and when the price will reach 4,500, I will sell because I already plus 12% of movement. Yeah, for example. But the main purse of your investment, you will still hold till the 100% here, or even 130%. Yeah, like the best, even if it's gonna take like 5 years, 25% per year. Like, wow, Warren Buffett will do something. Oh, I didn't show you the screenshot. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. So here it is, like the same. If you were buying here, you expecting the price here, you put your, where is the March? Somewhere here. You put it here, so you were expecting for that moment. I'm sorry about that. So that was your thoughts, that all I need to catch is 133% movement. For example, you put $10,000 in that. You bought for $4,000 Ethereum in December. Yeah, for example, let's put it away. In December, let's see what's happening next. So you bought for $4,000 in December. You spent 3 months of waiting until your asset will go higher. Right now you are in, not that, right now you are so 1 Ethereum for bought 75 days minus 45% non-realized losses. Sounds fair enough, yeah? Like, this is the facts. You were expecting price. Take profit plus 133%, yeah? I'll try to explain you the easiest way to get this fucking 133%. So you were expecting the return of your investments probably $5,200 plus. So the profit approximately $5,200. Yeah, like we need that profit. So what shall you do after those 3 months of like, what shall I do? You need to buy right now, for example, for the price $2,200. We're not talking about 28. 28 in New York, it was 3 a.m. when the price was at the bottom, and probably you will find this fucking line here, you will find all this information about where and when the price will be somewhere on all our social media. So this is your bad investment reality. Yeah, like someone said to you, you should buy that because the price will go higher. And probably you did the same in the March 2024. Maybe you did the same summer 2021. I don't know. Maybe even you bought your first coins. Like you are those guys who's like, I was in the crypto since 2017. But you do not telling people that you bought in December and you sold in February because you was afraid. Let's come back here. Not here. A little bit earlier. So you bought in December or January 20, like here. Like whatever. You bought here. You sold here. Like that's really nice investments. Like we go down on 10x and you were expecting 10x profit, but still we're talking about this scenario. We're talking about that scenario. Like you need $50 to $100 profit. You need to fix that. So what I'm trying to tell you, like the easiest way, because I was telling you on the previous live stream that I will try to explain you more so you will understand the basic risk management, how and when to buy, how to buy, and like all I need from you the likes and your comments, like yeah, please explain me that, explain me this, and I will do this because I have all time in the world. But also, if we're gonna see the pump for all crypto market till the March or till the April, May, June, I will probably disappear because I have pimples. Where's my coffee? You have the opportunity to press like right now. Like, I will really appreciate it. Let's see how many likes we have. 143, way more better. 50% more should press the like. I will appreciate that. If you do not do this, your parents will die for the next couple of days. Because a lot of people on TikTok telling me, hey, you probably the wizard. Think about it. Think about it. I'm addicted to coffee. That's true. Take a look at this camera. You see that lens? The same size as my penis. So for those of you who do not afraid to lose your parents, till the end of your days, every day you will see one dream. Someone with that lens. This is another course. A lot of people have been asking me, do you have some kind of courses for us? I have only course, not courses. So what shall you do? Let's do something like that. I'm tired, but I'm okay with that. Where's the Ethereum? So we have that things here. This is our mess, yeah, like, okay. So if you're gonna buy here, you bought somewhere here. You spent 3 months in distress. You don't know how to trade. You don't know how to scale. For example, if you scale your position here you're going to be in the small profit or break even. If you scale your position here you're going to be in the small profit break even. So just a small non-financial advice for you. If you're going to scale here, your price, average price will be something like $3,200. So in my opinion, just this small opinion of the stupid Ukrainian guy, here in the United States, you can afford $2,000. Like, sell anything. Sell your iPhone, sell your laptop, sell your fancy wheels from your pickup. I don't give a fuck if you're gonna sell. Like, sell your grill, sell your watch, sell whatever. Scale your position. You will have 2 Ethereum for the average price of 30. Okay, I will do something like that. Right now, buy 1 ETH for okay, you will have 2 ETH average price $3,200. So, my friends, if you will do that when the price, and it's only the matter of time, and I'm pretty sure that till the end of April, the price will be here. So when the price will do that movement, you will be in the break-even. You was like,
Yes. Hey Snoop Dogg, this is me, Antonio Belbaggi. I want to invite you and your family to the restaurant. Yeah. I have money. Money is not a question. The only question is the amount of money.
give me a second. Hey Kendrick, I cannot talk right now. Beep, pop, pom, pom, something like that. Like, do whatever you want. Like, so you are in the same amount of money that you have before, because here you spent 4K and here you spent 2K. Here you will have how much money? How much money you got? A lot. How much money you got? A lot. $200. You see, I'm a little bit stupid guy because I'm like, I can talk in Ukrainian or Russian like all day long, but in English sometimes my brain starts to hurt, so please applause. Like, you know, when some sportsman, boxer or whatever who, like Lionel Messi, falling or doing some kind of performance, everyone is applause to him, like, hey, we are supporting you, and you cannot press the like button. I know, because you want this lens in your ass. I totally understand. I respect that. I live in West Hollywood. I don't care about this. I'm like the most humble person in the world about everything. Like, we all have some kind of dreams. We all have some kind of like wishes. We all watch the 50 Shades of Grey and we all want to be Anastasia. Yeah, I know. That's fine with me. So here you will have your $6,200 back. But you doing this because you need the fucking $5,000 profit. So what's gonna happen next? If you wanna have $5,200 profit, all you need to wait while the price will be somewhere higher. Higher. 5,000 is a little bit like 75% profit. So that scenario is way more realistic than that one. Where it is? Oh, I deleted it. So we've been here somewhere like $9,000. So fixing your profit at the end of the bull run, when the price of the Ethereum will be somewhere like $550, $600, it's way more realistic than waiting for the $9,000. Like, what's wrong with you, like, guys? Oh, Ripple goes to $3. We're going to the moon. $10,000 for Ripple. Yeah, The Simpsons said that. And yeah, it's definitely gonna happen. Yeah. Hey children, for the next couple of weeks we don't have food, but we have Ripple. Sounds good? Okay. Ripple. Even $100 for Ripple. Why? So the market cap of the Ripple should be way more bigger than the market cap of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. The only one cryptocurrency with that kind of amount of money in that cannot be produced more, that has 21 million supply, and the Ripple, what the fuck is the Ripple? So this is the easiest strategy for you to not feel stress, not think about your losses or whatever you're thinking about. Just buy more today or 10th of March. Just buy more. Why? Because if you're gonna go and take a look on the first video, let's do this together. You're doing something like that. You go into the live, it means that everything was live. You opening the video 4 months ago. Take a look at this guy. You're gonna open this video and you're gonna watch it, and then you're gonna open the chart and you will see what's happening with the price of the Bitcoin. So yeah, like 4 months ago, we already give you the marks, and you can go and watch what the price was. Like, just do your own research about this fucking dude who's telling you like, just buy. That's it. This is not financial advice, because here you are so sensitive about like, if I were you, I wanna be me too. Sorry. Sometimes it's happening with me. I need to take my pills. Yeah. So I can dance if you want. Basically, like, we're all here for that. What I want to say, I don't remember. Yeah, I know that we can talk about the Pepe coin, other coins like coin. I know that you want me to analyze your coins. I don't give a fuck about your coins. I'm not analyzing. I'm not some kind of restaurant where you can order the food. I'm not delivery guy. I don't give a fuck about your positions. If you need more information, you can like try to figure out how and what's gonna happen with that, or you can get access to the private group. There is no chat. There is no some kind of like, hey, please, could you provide me that information? I'm a little bit tired of all of this. I'm a little bit tired of the people who's thinking that I owe them something. I don't want to go there. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes. Tomorrow I'm not be able to do any kind of live streams or whatever, but I promise to you I will do this way more often, because everything is working. I just need to push the button, start the live stream, talk with you about assets, because I'm doing this every day for my Ukrainian followers. Every day we're talking about a lot of things, and I'm pretty sure that you need that. You need the same information as they receiving. Like, every day I'm opening position, I'm closing position, I'm trying, I'm trading, I'm telling them like, hey, don't worry, everything is gonna be all right. The price, for example, no, it's the different position. I saw that my position which are in losses right now, I saw that they move back, but not they don't. Why? Tell me why. And that's it. I will really appreciate your support. I will really appreciate if you're gonna follow our groups, links in bio. Please, there is too many fake accounts on Telegram, on Instagram, on TikTok. There has been never so much fake accounts when I was doing the same things in Ukraine, because they know that American people trust everyone. Like, they've been texting you, here is my WhatsApp, here is my Telegram, here is my group, or you type in the search El Caro. Do not type anything. There is the links. Just open the link and go directly to this channel. There is too many things. The guy from Miami just sent me yesterday, like, hey, it's you. I'm telling like, no. Because I really wouldn't care about if you sent your money to someone else. If you're gonna go and visit some kind of link, if you're gonna participate in some kind of fraud scheme or whatever, like, you should use your brains. I'm not here to trade for you. I'm not here to save your money. I can prevent any kind of fraud. I can prevent any kind of scam. I'm asking people, please report this page. I'm blocking every day like 2, 5, sometimes thousands of people. I'm blocking, I'm trying my best, but it's not easy, because they are doing the new accounts every day and they pretending to be me. They sending your message. I will never text you. Where should I text? Like, to whom? To Billy, to Bobby, to Johnny, to Tamara? Why? To do what? To tell you, hey, I can help you. So the first question, what kind of assets you have? So they asking what kind of assets you have right now. They doing the phishing link. They send you this fucking phishing link and all your money from your wallet going to them. That's it. I will never do this to my audience. I'm trying to show you, I'm trying to tell you like, hey, the security of your assets is the main thing. I'm not trusting to the banks. I'm not like putting my money in the bank. I'm holding my assets on the cold and the hot wallets. And no one knew where this phone, where this ledger, where this seed phrase. You should operate your money by your own. You don't need any kind of person on the Wall Street, brokers or whatever. Just fucking do what other people not doing. If you see that your friends are investing in these assets only just because like somebody said to them that Elon Musk invested in this, or the other time like a few days ago the guy tell me like my friend put millions of dollars in the same coins as the Trump bought. Who said to you that the Trump bought something? The media? The TV? Some guy on the TikTok? So we have a screener and we've been watching for the Trump wallet and he is buying the H-bar coin and especially the Trump coin will be arrived soon. So the Millennium drop the coin and everyone's to what's wrong with you guys? So you really still believe that the government trying to help you? Do you understand that this is the most slavery time in the world? Like you don't have rule, you don't have your opinion, you don't have nothing. You only have what they gave to you. Okay, you can go and do something like what you want. You want to do the meeting about the Black Lives Matter? Okay, we allow you to do that. You want to, I don't know, tell people that you are upset about the egg price? Okay, we allow you to do that. Oh, the fire in the California. Oh my God, your opinion is so like, okay, we know. Thank you. Everyone thinking that the government trying to help people. For what? Why? Just explain me why. Yes, sometimes they're doing something for people than doing something for the country, because if they wouldn't do it, we will have the one more civil war here in the United States, and this is the only war that could happen here in this country, the only war, or nuclear war, but I do not believe in that. I really do not believe. Not now, maybe in the next 10 years or whatever, but not now. So they need to do something. They need to show you something. They need to feed you with something like, we built the bridge, we reduced the taxes, we did that. And you was like, oh yes, thank you very much. Now the dick that I'm sucking is not so like big. Sounds good. Yeah. So there is the law. We need to pay taxes. We need to do that. We do not allow to do that. Like you cannot go against the law because this is the law. But sometimes you should think out of the box. Sometimes you should think about like, okay, why it's happening? Why they showing me that? There's the huge conspiracy theory about all these planes that are crashing right now. But in my opinion, there is way more behind that we think about it. So first of all, go and watch James Bond Casino Royale. And in the first 30 minutes of the film, you will find that some guy open short position on the American Airlines or whatever. Like he just put options on that stock And there should be the terrorist act about like they should blow up some kind of the largest airplane in the world. So what's gonna happen next? The stock price of this company will go down. The same as it was like September 11. You know how many people was shorting that day the stocks of that company? Not you. Especially not the people who invest in this. So this is how it works. They trying to took your money and then they explain in you, oh, that's why it happened. I really don't know why the price dropped 24th of February. I don't know. I cannot know. I didn't Google it. I don't know. But there is the reason. Like they will tell you. I don't know how long we will show people how our indicator works. I don't know how long we will show and give people some kind of advices, but non-financial advices about, we will open the gate about like, okay, this train or this flight are arriving or departing at that time. So we're showing the assets, different assets. And we can do this like years ahead. The algorithm works years ahead. Then we can try to think what's gonna happen next. Why the S&P and Nasdaq will fall. Why the Tesla will fall. And then they will tell you why it falls. Like then in the news, in the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, like whatever, they will tell you why. But our algorithms see when there is going to be the movement. That's why I'm a little bit afraid about myself, because when you live in Dubai or like, I don't know, like Pennsylvania or Italy, they don't give a fuck about what are you telling to people. But here in the United States, I'm telling you, the next 30 live streams, like half year ahead, one day they will knock in my door. And I will leave the country, that's it. Easy. Or they will shut me down, like they will just try to silence me, because I don't know why and how, I really don't know. But all I'm trying to do, like to show people that it works, like be smart, be more clever, and maybe one day some really rich person or company or hedge fund or like whatever fund will see my video and like, hey, this dude really predicted the all crashes that was in August, in September, October, November, December, January, February. We've been doing this, we've been posting all this content in English since August. Since August, I start doing these live streams, I start doing these TikTok videos with the sign, just the video like, hey, I'm going to Vegas, you should consider to buy or sell your asset there. This is not financial advice, etc. Like every month, the same. And there is right now in the comments, I'm pretty sure that there is people with the extra chromosome. But you said! Every month I'm telling people, buy on the small amount of money on that date. Do not put all your money. Yes, sometimes I'm going all in, but then I'm selling the peak. I call that speculation. That's it. Because I need money right now. I want to buy something right now. I'm not talking about my like 60 years or when I'm gonna be old enough and I'm gonna spend. No, I want to spend my money right now. I want to live like the best life right now. I want to have the opportunity to buy the fucking $15,000 camera and not using that. I want to have the opportunity to buy $8,000 screen and not using that. I want to have opportunity to travel around the world, to eat what I want, to do what I want, not to go at the job. Don't care about like somebody was waiting me when 8 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 p.m. I'm do what I want for the last 10 years since 2016 when my life was changed by the crypto. Yeah, I'm telling to people this. I was the waiter when I was 18 years. I was studying in university. I was the driver. I was the, how you call that, the guy who works in the store and you counting how much this thing you have. Like, I was helping in the store. We've been selling the goods for like the screwdrivers, the like Home Depot but smaller. I was working as an actor. I was working as a model. I was like trying to do my best to like get some kind of money. In 2011, I start my first business. It doesn't work. In 2011, I work as the copywriter in the L'Officiel Homme magazine in Ukraine, the man magazine XXL. Maybe you heard about this magazine. I work on the 4 different jobs at the same, because I was like the same slave as you are right now. I'm not talking to everyone. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, like, because I really understand that there is some things similar in everyone. So I was doing my best, and since 2013 I started doing the currency exchange business in Ukraine. I opened the multimedia portal in Ukraine. I opened the photo studio. I opened the photo production. Then I moved to the video production. And all this time I was doing the driver job. I was doing the acting, the modeling. I was trying to like get the money, because my parents, the driver and the accountant in Ukraine, receiving $300 per month. And my father is the taxi driver who goes to the restaurant. Like when your working day is off and there is no underground which working after 2 a.m. in Ukraine. Like you need to send your waiters, your like security guards, whoever work in the kitchen back home, and you have 2 opportunities. Either you giving them money for the taxi, or you send in the big bus which will drive them back home. So that's the job what my father had for the last maybe 15 years. In 2014 probably, he started to work in United Nations office in Ukraine as a driver, and he's still driver. He's still driving, but right now he's driving the armored car in the war zone. He's withdrawing people from there. Like he's trying to help people and sending them with the help of United Nations in the Europe, sometimes in the like west part of Ukraine. And my mother didn't work for the last 8 years because our grandmother was sick and she was staying with her. She's not doing anything. She's trying to help her. And when the first grandmother in 2016 died, oh yeah, by the way, like my mother didn't work for 11 years. When my grandmother died in 2016, the first one, she was like, okay, maybe I should start doing something. And the other grandmother got sick. And she started helping her. My father grandmother. So, my father mother. So that's it. This is the life. I don't have any kind of opportunities. We don't have like nothing. You cannot get loan on the university. You cannot get loan like here's every 16 years old driving the cars. Sometimes I see the guys like 16 years old on the Porsche, on the Lamborghini or whatever, because they can afford it. You have leasing, you have loans, you have finance. In Ukraine we have like the big large president dick. And you will stay in the line to lick that dick. By your own will, you will do this. Because like, I'm not trying to tell you like the Ukraine is the worst country in the world. I'm totally in love with that country. The most beautiful women, the most beautiful girls, the tasty food, really beautiful nature. But the people are angry and meanful. Because they are poor. When you poor, you couldn't be smart. You couldn't get education. When you poor, you are angry all the time because you're freezing. It's winter outside. You cannot afford the Canada Goose jacket. when it's like summer outside, you cannot afford the air condition in your apartment. Yeah, it sounds ridiculous, it sounds like funny, but it is. Okay, the capital of Ukraine, the Kharkov, the Lviv, the big cities like Odessa, they live all the time because there is the people who making money. But when you was born in the small family without anything, you will fight through that. So I was doing too many things to stay in the life, to live the life like what young person wants to live. I want to party with my friends. I want to go to the, like, I don't know, to the cinema. For example, here in the United States, you're paying $25 per cinema ticket. In Ukraine, you're paying $2, and it's like fucking expensive. Not everyone get the access to the cinema. Like, this is the, okay, you have a birthday, let's go to the cinema. Not everyone. I know that all my Ukrainian followers, you are smart enough, you're doing money. But go outside the Kyiv. Go somewhere where your, I don't know, like, the people who works on you live. Talk to them. And you will see that this is the worst country in the world. Here, not so bad as Russia. Like Russia, this is like the end, like totally. I don't know. Fuck, what's wrong with them? You know, when you have the mess in your apartment and you go into your friend and telling him, hey, you have a dust, but your apartment is disaster. Like there was the World War III. Like somebody literally shit on the carpet and you telling to other people what they need to do. Like this is the Russia, this is their strategy. Like one Russian journalist says, like, so you have the 25 bedroom apartment or house and your neighbor has 2-bedroom house. You have like totally hell in 20 of your 25 bedrooms, but you going out, knocking in the door of your neighbor and trying to fuck his wife. You're not trying to like get rid of all this mess and hell in your apartment. You're going there. That's what the war in Ukraine right now. But Ukrainian government, they steal money. That's it. This is the truth. That's why I live there. In 2016, they're trying to like kill me. Few government persons trying to kill me. So this was the first time when I go to United States. And I was dreaming to stay here, but it's impossible for Ukrainian person without documents. So I've been traveling to United States since 2016 and my life started changing when I bought my first crypto. When I come back in Ukraine, I have 4 business. They all bring me like $10,000 in a month, 4 different business, like 4 different LLC. I was buying businesses, I was building businesses. I had like more than 100 people who's been working on me, $10,000 per month. And for $10,000 per month, you can afford anything in Ukraine. You can pay for someone kill someone else, like for a few $1,000s. Right now, it's maybe $500 cost. I don't know. And when you become a little bit way more famous, richer, wealthy, too many people start telling you like, you should give me some amount of your money. Who knows what's gonna happen if you don't? So when the war came to Ukraine, but still the government of Ukraine didn't call it war, they said that this is like the, how they said that? I don't give a fuck about it. Don't worry about that. So I realized that right now when the weapon could be in any hands, like there is gonna be mass inside the country. And what will happen? Like the government will try to get rid from the rich persons, or they will try to tell them like, hey, you need to give me like 20% or 50% of your business. That's it. That was in early 90 when the Soviet Union collapsed and there was the gang. But right now it's not the gang. There is like Okay, I'm going a positive way. We don't need to talk about that. Maybe one day we will talk about my opinion in the political situation in the other field, but right now I'm waiting for one more correction today. Then we're going up till 6th of March. We can go up way higher even from right now. But I'm waiting. From 6th of March till 10th of March, we are going down. And from the 10th or 11th of March, that's gonna be huge. That's gonna be crazy. I think it could be, it really could be the fast movement up. So that's it. Thank you for your time. I hope you're doing well. God bless you. God bless everyone. God bless me. God bless. And thank you for your support. All links in bio.